Hi, this video is for the interview of Teacher Education Program at UCLA, and my name is Yuxuan Hou. For the following part, I'll use a keynote to address to my topic. You ready? Here we go. As instructed, the topic contains 2 questions, and I'll go to each of them one by one. For the question number 1, my understanding of the racism and all kinds of oppression is that they come with another concept called group. Okay, generally speaking, racism is mainly the negative actions between two groups, the majority and the minority, or say some superior groups versus the inferior ones. By talking about dealing with racism, it's important to locate the originoids, and in my opinion, it's the fear. Okay, it's in our nature. As individuals, people are so weak and small that they fear of almost everything. For this reason, everyone wants to be powerful and strong. And as social animals, people tend to group together to fulfill this desire. Then there is some group set up, and members would find comforting inside the group and tend not to pick fight with someone they know or share something in common. But on the other hand, people tend to be more sensitive towards things or other peoples from the outside of the group. And then here comes the idea of group against. And in my opinion, this is a general word of oppression. Racism is a part of action or group against when the minority groups are race like Black, Asian, or Latino. And other things are also familiar in the campus, like the group against the nerds, the newcomer, and the disabilities. For the first question, racism and oppression in school are on 2 levels. For students, as the members of the majority groups tend to bully the minority, they would tease their accent, habit, and so on, and sometimes they would even hurt minorities. For teachers, like the reading material one illustrated, teachers could also show some racism in their actions, their speakings, and favoring. The detail would even just be such as a frown and keeping distance from the kids and last time or asking questions. And for the question number 2, my role should be different when facing different groups. When facing the victims, I'll be a devoted friend. Most victims in racism are treated by living alone, be isolated alone. So the person they need most is someone stand by their side and keep them accompanied. When facing the bullies, I won't forbid their actions by using my authority, using a teacher's superior power to stop the kids who want to also be the superior ones could just stimulate their desire for power. I'll try to guide them. The next steps illustrated by the reading material number 2 is just as logical and clear enough a guideline. And when facing the crowd, I always keep trying to spread the positive energy, and this is part of my response to the following questions. For the third question, as part of the minority group, my daily action would mainly focus on the keyword interest. As mentioned before, racism and bullies are the result of treating others as outside of the group, so the key lies in how to bridge the gap. For school kids, cool pictures, awesome games, tasty food from the culture of the minority group are helpful enough to hold their interest. And once they are attracted to the fancy things, it would be easier for kids to be active in chatting with ones from the minority group. So this is my response to the questions concerning about racism. My name is Yuxuan Hou. This video is for UCLA's teacher education program. Thank you.